They're often a little skeptical and take a look, and then they say, nowadays, anything is possible. Yes, it's always nice to see that the parents themselves are very fascinated and interested.
I have to say that we only started using head helmets 5 years ago, and we started out using scanning technology exclusively. We never used plaster casts, but started right away with a normal tablet scanner and then moved on to the EinScan H2. And we recently started working with the new scanner.
But I can't imagine it being any other way, because just the idea of putting a cast on a baby's head doesn't seem easy to me. And it's so simple today with 3D scanning or with a scanner. It works so smoothly, so easily, and the children don't cry.
The scanning itself takes just 30 seconds and works really smoothly. We did briefly consider whether we should also get involved in plaster casting, as we have experience in this area with feet and hands, but then decided to start with the scanning technology straight away.
Many parents ask right at the beginning, is this harmful? We always respond, no, it's just light. It's a white light scanner. Another frequently asked question is it really that accurate? We respond affirmatively, show them the results, and explain that it couldn't be any more accurate. It's quite exciting, and at the end, the parents say, wow, we never would have believed it could be so simple.
So basically, I find 3D measurement very practical, especially when it comes to small children. The process is very entertaining. It only takes a certain amount of time to hold their attention, and then it's over. I didn't have high expectations, or rather, I didn't have any expectations at all, and was then pleasantly surprised that it was so easy. Especially with a child, I find that many things are complicated, and it was simply a brief relief that this wasn't a long process.
The products were really top-notch right from the start, I have to say. The basic equipment is important, from notebooks to scanners. The whole package just has to be right, and then the products work great. If we ever have any problems, we've always received excellent service. It works flawlessly, and I can only recommend it.